Hey there, adventurers. Today we're here at Hollywood Studios, and I am so excited because tonight we're spending the night here at the park, riding some rides and having a great day. So with that said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. I gotta be honest, so strange seeing a 30-minute wait for Tower Terror. So I think right now we're gonna go ahead and get on Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets.
I respect a dramatic entrance. I respect being fashionably late. I respect milking the moment. Oh no! Do I respect the electric mayhem?
Now it's none of my business. Definitely do better.
Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Hey, Bob. Scooter? What's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But I
don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half.
I love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
We just got off of Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. That ride is still as awesome as before. I love the music, the theming is very cool, and of course when it comes to the Muppets and all that, it is an amazing ride that is both intense, thrilling, and fun at the same time, where it's so re-rideable. Good news, it is still a 30-minute wait, so let's go ahead and hop aboard Tower Terror.
If you need anything, it's too late.
You were the passengers back to the very own the Twilight Zone.
That's part of like the anticipation of it. It's so scary. You don't know what's going to happen.
just got off of Tower Terror. That was such a fun ride. I think for Tower Terror, it was about a 21-minute wait, so not too bad. But when it comes to the ride itself, it is always classic, always must ride. And I think now we're gonna go ahead and grab a bit to eat, maybe get a snack here at Hollywood Studios. I think now we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a funnel cake at Epic Eats, where think about getting a cookies and cream funnel cake for $8.99 with cookies and cream topping and vanilla soft serve. And now we are here at Backlot Express. Decided to get myself this cookies and cream funnel cake here for $8.99. So this is pretty good for a funnel cake, because I know at Epcot it's usually 13 bucks. But anyways, let's go ahead and break this apart. The funnel cake and ice cream are delightful. The funnel cake is nice, soft, warm. The ice cream too is very sweet. Overall, when it comes to the funnel cake, this is really good. This is one of my favorite funnel cakes, and it is so delicious. I would easily get this again. And now we just got out of Backlot Express, and I think right now we're gonna go ahead and head into Star Tours for ride number 3 today. So let's see. I'm not gonna lie, this is like crazy to see this ride always at 5 minutes.
Person in front of you, type people. Alright, keep moving. When you bump into the person in front of you. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Takeoff sequence initiated. R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. Pod race. I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him. Destroy the Thank the maker. R2, send out a distress signal. Look out, R2. Get that book, Uncle.
Sound to us. Follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh dear!
We are under attack. Good luck, Star Tours. You are on your own now.
On our own? Wait! R2, do something! And I thought I hated space travel.
And we just got off of Star Tours. That ride is always so much fun. So cool seeing all different variations of the ride too. They have a Pride Month photo op back here nearby the Monstropolis construction, where you can take pictures of all of the Pride Month balloons here. Now there is one particular place I love, and that is Baseline Tap House. It is always a great place to get drinks and snacks, but despite the fact that we're not getting a pretzel, still thought we'd go ahead and get ourselves a drink. And of course we had to get ourselves the strawberry biscuit soda. They have a new name, but I'm gonna still call it strawberry biscuit soda. Very refreshing on a hot day, sweet, and with the strawberry, it's a nice combination where I think with this drink, really perfect for a hot day like today. And now we're going to go ahead and head into Fantasmic to end off our night here at Hollywood Studios. This is their nighttime spectacular, where we're going to go ahead and see Mickey Mouse, where good versus evil battle here in this 30-minute show with fireworks, fountains, and more. As we're heading into the Fantasmic Theater back here, it's been 3 years since I saw it, so I'm pretty excited to see it.
Welcome to Fantasmic. Tonight, our friend and host Mickey Mouse uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy. Deal with me and all the powers of my imagination. Oh no! You may think you're so powerful. Well, this is my dream.
And we just got out Fantasmic. It was amazing show as always. Loved the pyrotechnics. The whole entire show is a great way to wrap up your day here at Hollywood Studios. And I think overall for a day here, that's pretty much a wrap on our night here at Hollywood Studios. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you planning on visiting Hollywood Studios this year? If so, I'd love to hear what you're most excited for. If you want to support our channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. And as always, till next time, Ventures, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.